Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I'm here with a project share that I did, I believe it was a few nights ago. Here's an altered box that I done. I have two more that I will alter, and I'm going to do something new on my channel where I do a tutorial and then I do a project share. Okay, so each project you're gonna have a process video, then you're gonna have the completed project where I'm gonna share what I done and everything. Okay, so what I've done with this one is I put some fabric lace right here, this color here. Okay, this was from a friend, and then I put some doilies. Okay, I have two doilies here. We have a cameo that was given to me, some cup chain that was sent in Happy Mail. The doilies was purchased, and then we have these flatback pearls that I purchased from Michael's. More cup chain here. Then here I have two different laces that were purchased from DC Scrap and Rooster. And this here that you see was purchased at Dollar Tree, and so were the butterflies. So this is my altered hat box. But what I'm planning on doing is on the inside here is putting something to where I can either put jewelry in here or maybe give to my granddaughter to put her jewelry in. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. So I would like to say this in closing. Thank you all I greatly appreciate all the nice comments that are left below. And I will start putting my shout outs back in my videos. So if you like a shout out, just leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I will put you in the shout out section of my next video. I would like to thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. Another thing before I say the last part of my spiel, I'm also doing a Friends Across the Miles junk journals. And what it is if you send me something in a normal letter-sized envelope, I will do a page layout, and it'll be a full process video of each page, who the items were sent from, and also whoever participates will get a file from me of the complete journal. Okay, from beginning to end. You'll get a file. I will scan each page onto my computer and put it in a file to send to everyone who participates. Okay. Again, it's just a letter-sized envelope. It's nothing big, nothing, whatever. It could be a doily. It could be anything. I'll do an update video. So, again, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content, when I go live. And as always, be kind, stay kind. Be crafty, stay crafty. Be safe out there. And I will see you. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, stay tuned for photos. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.